Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about what really excited me more than anything in this world was the stock market. And I want to really hone on the stock market because I don't talk about it enough, to be honest with you. But it was my first baby. It was my first joy. It was the first thing that truly inspired me. And you know what really inspired me? It's understanding that you truly can make money in your sleep, right? You make money while you sleep. I mean, the first couple of times waking up and you're seeing checks in your account. I call it checks. Those dividend payments, those are checks. Please make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe because this video, this is the source right here. This is that good stuff. Um, you know, if someone tells me that they're a growth stock investor, more power to you. You can make a ton of money in growth stocks, more than dividend stocks. I'm being completely honest. I'm a dividend stock investor, and I know I could make more in growth stocks. But what I love is those checks. I love those dividend payments, right? You can be a swing trader and a day trader. You can make way more money than a dividend investor, but I love the consistency of those dividend payments, right? There's a lot of things that I can do in order to make money. In fact, I can move all my money into a high interest account right now and be gaining 4, 5, 6, 7%. But I like the fluidity of what I can do with that in order to make additional money in other ways or spend money in other ways that I haven't converted all of my assets to that, right? And so I'm also leaving the road of opportunity open in the stock market that it might just shoot up overnight, and I have to be prepared for that as well, right? I have to be able to reap the benefits of all my patience. And so, you know, we all leave money on the table. But what I love most about dividend investing is that I make money while I sleep. And when I first heard that, it was like a star went across my head, and I was on a cloud. And every single day that I received a paycheck, I received a paycheck, I received a paycheck from my account. I said, "Wow, this is what it's like to not have to work for your money, have your money work for you. This is what people are talking about. This is what I'm seeing." Back then, I wasn't even making $1 worth of dividends. Maybe I was getting 5 cents here, 50 cents here, 25 cents here, 75 cents here, $1 here. And I was thinking to myself, woo, one day I'll get $1 worth of dividends. One day I'll get this. One day I'll get that. And that's when I was in college. That's when I was just starting off. That's when I was trying to steamroll things and get it working in my favor. But now, as an adult, now as someone who's graduated college, been in the working class, 3, 4 years removed, it's like I am pounding at a door trying to break it open. At this point, I feel like I'm just compounding interest, compounding dividends, compounding all of that. And it is sitting on a roof, very small right now, sitting on a roof. But it's going to get heavier. It's going to get heavier. It's going to get heavier and eventually just break it all down. And I can't wait to break it all down. It's like we're trying to push through a door that's locked. But the bigger and the stronger we get, that door starts to budge, it starts to wiggle, and one day we're just gonna push on through. So right now we're in a recession. Right now money is tight. Right now there's not a lot of funds. But when we're in good times, when we're in prosperous times, all that little investing that I've been doing, all that little adding to the investments that I'm making is going to pay off tremendously. I mean tremendously, because when everything is down, the stock market is down so much, and all I'm doing is adding, not taking out, not taking out, not taking out. I'm going to reap the benefits of that. I am going to reap the benefits of that. The long-term wait, the long-term plays. And so I truly love the fact that I it inspires me when I think about multimillionaires and billionaires. It inspires me because I know that they're making so much more. And just the thought of how much they're making inspires me as well. I don't know, it gets me going. A lot of people might hate that. A lot of people might be disgusted by someone who makes more money than them. To me, it's inspiration, right? If I'm making $50 in dividends a month, someone else is making 1,000. Someone else is making 5,000. Someone else is making 20,000. Someone else is making 100,000. Someone else is making $1 million a month. That's inspirational. That will change my life. That will do things that I've never done. And when I say change my life, a bigger house, a bigger car, I mean, what else can you buy at that point, right? Because I've already set up myself to where I have the house, I have the car, so there's not much else you want but to live in luxury at this point, right? I can say, thankfully, I've made it, but there's still more to make and achieve and get out of life, and also give back, right? We don't want to be just living for ourselves, right? We want to be able to give back, and it feels so much easier when you have to give. And so it's important to understand that making money while you sleep and having that compound for you is going to be one of the breakers that just push you towards financial freedom. Eventually, one day, that money will make more money than you put in. And now you're at a point in your life where you can say it's all truly paid off. I can't even invest as much as I'm getting out. That is a blessing. That is beautiful. It's a miracle. It's one of the wonders of the world, as Warren Buffett would say. And so I love dividend investing. I love it so much. I'm trying to break down the wall. I'm trying to push through. I'm trying to break the house down. I'm trying to be like the millionaires and the billionaires. I'm trying to see what I can achieve out of life. And for all of you who are scared or on the fence, you think you might lose some money investing, make those mistakes early, because no one gets rich on their own. You have to learn. You have to be wise. You have to listen to what I've been telling you to invest in, what others have told you to invest in. Now, I'm just a random guy on YouTube, so don't get me struck down, right? But understand that the more you understand, the more you study, the more you learn, the wiser you are. People invest in the stock market for a reason. And if you're scared to invest, then just buy into a long-term ETF like the S&P or VOO. It goes up, it goes down, but you know what? After 10 years, you'll make more money. The S&P and the VOO are comprised of the top 500 stocks in the whole entire market. And in a 10-year period, it will be down 3 times. So guess what? That means it's up 7 times a year. And when it's down, you should be investing more, because you know that when it goes up, it's going to go up for a long time, right? 5, 6, 7 years. And so you want to reap those benefits tenfold when it's down. That's why you invest more when the market is down. And then when it goes up, oof, it's a blessing. I was investing in Facebook heavy when it was down, and I've more than doubled my return. And I'm super, super excited about that. Trust me, it is never easy to invest in a market when it's down. But when you believe in it, when you believe in what you're buying, when you have the common sense, the understanding and the knowledge to say, you know what, Facebook is $1 trillion company. They're not going anywhere. It just makes sense to purchase it when they are only being devalued because of their inspirations and innovations to make better and bigger products, right? So if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You know I post every single day at 8 a.m. daily on YouTube and on Rumble. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Peace.